So I just got the wireless doorbell. Actually, I put the transmitter outside. It comes with the instructional manual and two receivers. The size is perfect. It's good size. So I have also a screwdriver and two screws. And like you see here, it was here adhesive backing. So I'll show you how I'll put this. I'll plug it just right here. It's easy to match. So the transmitter, it's outside. It is here. So yeah. So you can hear the sound. There's two buttons right here. So this one is for the volume. It has like 4 levels, and this one is for the sounds. It's 3/8 sounds. So I'll try to lower the sound. So yeah. So if you have like a big house or 2 floors, or you can use the other one. I don't use it. I have a small house. So yeah, that's it. I really loved it. It doesn't have like too much instructions to do, and it's cool.